Although Kentucky has reopened, the pandemic is not over. The Delta variant is spreading quickly, now accounting for half of the nation's COVID cases.
The variant is causing some state and local leaders to consider re-implementing mask mandates. Victor Puente looks to see if that's being considered here in Lexington.
Cases of the Delta variant have been found in Kentucky. Infectious disease experts tell me the number of those cases is likely higher than we realize. They also told me getting vaccinated is still the best precaution against those variants of the virus.
Kentucky's COVID incidence rate is still below 3%, but over the last week or so, it's been trending upward.
Just in the last 24 hours, it looks like we've seen a few sicker, unvaccinated patients come in. So at some point, we know that, we're going to have increase in numbers.
Dr. Mark Doherty says even though there have been less than 24 cases of the Delta variant in Kentucky, the delay in testing means that number is probably higher. In Louisville, health leaders said they were recommending mask usage as the variant spread. The Fayette County Health Department said that's a good idea, especially for the unvaccinated.
And for people who are vaccinated but live with or are around others who can't get the vaccine because perhaps they're too young, perhaps they have compromised immune systems.
As for mask requirements coming back, Dr. Doherty said he doesn't see that happening.
At this point, I'm not sure that people are going to go for that. I think most of the public is just not going to do it. If you're vaccinated, it's probably not necessary at this point. The incidence is still pretty low in Kentucky.
Low, but going up. And as unvaccinated people are exposed to more variants, it could keep rising.
Well, the vast majority of patients who are ill and in the hospital with COVID now are unvaccinated. Not quite 100%, but the state figures are 99%.
And masks are still required at places like hospitals and public transportation.
So if you see somebody in a mask, it doesn't mean that they're not vaccinated. It could mean they're taking an extra step to protect their family and loved ones.
Dr. Doherty told me last week they were averaging 3 to 4 COVID patients a day. Today, that number is 9. That's still a lot less than the mid-30s they had in February, but that number is trending upward. In Lexington, Victor Puente, Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
Kevin Hall said another benefit to the shots is that fully vaccinated children who get exposed to a positive case do not have to isolate or quarantine. That could save families a lot of trouble when school starts back up.